Alright, welcome back to my channel. And I want to appreciate everyone that has been subscriber, that has been following us. If you are not yet a subscriber, please, as we want to start, click on the subscribe button. And if you find this video helpful at the end of the video, please click on the like button. Today, I'll be showing us a strategy that helps us. And remember, this is what we do on our channel. We give strategies that we get that we have back tested and see that is helpful, that can help you to scale through the market and make profit. We give them free, and also we actually give robots and other things. Now, concerning EA, most of the time I tell you that the EAs are actually not mine. I have not started building EA. I will just start that now, but virtually all the year when we get it, we give it back to you guys free. And many people feel somehow about it. Okay, I've been giving all the years free of charge. It's just the last video where I actually have that people should just not appreciate my traders. Okay, and some people felt like I said it's free, so they expect it to free. They don't have the money to actually, they don't plan it. And I was just wondering, it's just so simple. I don't want to use a word that maybe we just don't plan very well. But the concept is that if you say that you don't have just $10 to appreciate somebody that has given you, or you have the money to trade it, to use a robot to trade. As in, if you really want to use a robot, yes, you will have money. So you will have at least $100, but you could not afford $10. It's not that you don't afford, you can't afford $10. You just know what it means. You will just know what that means. But that's okay, that's fine. We are not actually into debate about that today. I'm actually in to give you a very helpful strategy that will make you trade profitably. And many of you know me, I trade majorly volatility 100, and that is why I'm actually optimizing it on volatility 100. Okay, that it's actually more for to use it on for trading volatility 100 than every other pair. Not that it's not good using on other pairs. I will show you on other pairs. For this volatility 100, this 5 minutes of volatility 100. Okay, because of the reason why I use 5 minutes is for the security of funds purpose. Alright, so the strategy is based on actually stochastic, and you can use it to trade any pair. I will show you also on another pair. This volatility 100. Though I just entered the volatility 100 right now. I was preparing the video before I just start the video all over again. Okay, so right now let's look at what are the factors. You just put stochastic on it, that's simple. And the property is the percentage K is 30, the slowing is 22, and the period percentage D period is actually 15. So just check the value like this: 30, 15, 22. The slowing 22, the percentage K is 15. So once you do that, it's simple. That's all you need for the stochastic. When you set the stochastic, and you can just start trading. Now, when will you buy? You buy when the market actually crosses maybe on the 20, below the 20, above the 20, but it's safer to cross to trade when it crosses below the 20 like this. The reason is because you want to trade more possibility, because you want to trade high probability trade. Okay, so that's the reason for trading when it is only below 20, that is now going up for buy. For sell, you actually sell when it crosses above 80 and it's coming down. Simple. Now, I need you to actually know that somehow you need to have a little knowledge of resistance support. Now, whenever any time frame you have, when they are talking about resistance support, don't get it mixed up. It's not complicated. It's just a point where the market make reversals from, like the peak the market reach at that particular time and reverse from. Simple. That's what resistance and support is. So whether you're on 1 minute, whether on your 5 minute, whether on your 15, you can always look at your current resistance. We're not doing overall if you're on the lower time frame. You know you are not actually position trader, you're not day trading, you are not position trader, you're not swing trader. You are either day trader or you are actually scalper. So anyhow, just simple, don't complicate forex. Okay, so we have resistance. This the current resistance level, right? Okay, so if we are buying, we're expecting the market to get all the way to this point, and it has crossed here. Remember, I should have entered this trade since when it crosses here. I should have entered the trade around here. Or possibly, if I'm somebody that is patient, I will wait for the market to come to the support area for the risk to be lower since I know the market is getting to this point. So I will expect the market to make correction. It may not necessarily get here, but I will expect it to correct. Then from there I will buy, expecting it to go up. Unlike the way I just did right now about 10 minutes ago that I just bought here and expecting it to get to this point. Well, this is a demo account. Okay, I'm using it to explain. So let's look at every other scenario we have here for a sell. We have seen at this point the market crosses. This is the point, and this is a tracer bottom showing a sign of push up. Then I will know that this resistance, the spread market reacts to the resistance. Like I said, I would have waited for the market to go up before I enter for my stop loss to be minimal. Now, when the market keep going up and was not selling, I will be happy that I have not joined in the trade. And when the market come down like this, I will not join, I will not rush into trade. With somebody who understands forex, you see the market breaking this region and returning back inside. You don't jump into that trade because that trade, if trade is going to go your way, is will move up again, then drop. Then that's it. The market move up and start dropping. Okay. Then at this point, safe entry at this point to actually sell here. Since this is still open and it has not given me any signal for a buy, I would have sold, then wait for the market to cross before I actually sell, or for the slowing and the main signal to touch the 20 level, or the other way round, you actually mark a support zone. The market is moving from resistance, is going to support. Market is moving from support, is going to resistance. It's as simple as that. Forex is not complicated. Don't complicate it for yourself. Now that's volatility 100. Let's look at it on volatility 75, and don't let us put it on higher time frame. Let's put it on very low time frame. So this is it. My way of doing things is that I will just save it. Templates, save templates. Then I will just STOCIC stoke. So I'm saving it as stoke and I'm bringing it all the way down here to templates. Then I'll pick it up. It's already there. Now for buy, I would buy here. Expect market to go to this point, to this point, or this point, and that's what you have. I will sell. Here is not very safe for sell. Why? It's not at the 80 level. But here I will be looking forward to sell. But now that the market has pushed down, I will expect market to push up. Like I said, it will not necessarily get here. I will not have actually entered for a sell here because it's far from this area and it's closer to this area. But if you do risk calculation, the market coming to this point from this region compared to the market stopping you out at here, you will realize that the risk is bigger than the reward. I will not sell. I will not take the trade. Then I will actually wait for the next. Here also I will not sell. I will not buy rather. Here. The reason why I will not buy is because I will be waiting for the market to reverse back. And now I will be planning to buy. But right now it's crossing again for a sell. So meaning that I will not be selling also. I will wait for the market to push up. Then let's check it on higher time frame. Yeah, this is on 1 hour. The market crosses here for a sell, and it did sold off all the way down. The market crossed here for a buy, touched this region, went up, returned back, bought a little bit, then continued dropping. The market did this. Let's check it on 1 minute. Yeah, then want to trade with volatility 75, it's better if you use 1 minute. You see, this is actually where it crosses here. Market goes up, give you opportunity, but you need to turn back on. Remember, I always say that resistance support are not complicated, just where the market has reached before. So you expect the market to return back to give you good opportunity for entry. You enter the market all the way fuller. You take your trade, you take your profit. The market crosses again for you for itself here. So cross again for itself. Remember, I will be waiting for the market to push up. It push up to this region. Like I told you, I will not have rushed into the trading. I'll wait for the retest, the market push above it. Then I will be safe. Okay? I will not have sold at that moment and I will not be caught up in the trade. And I will not be planning to actually buy, even when it crosses for a buy like it does here. Because it's far off. How will I be buying here? At the region where I should be open for a sell, then all the way I was waiting for a sell. Then I have the sell again around here. I wait for the market to retest to the region, and it retested to the region but did not pass it. Then hula, I take advantage of my trade here all the way down. It crosses again for buy. I will be out of the trade right now, waiting for the market to actually buy. It's just very simple, very easy. So you can, before you rush into trading any pair that you are using, just scan through the market and look for the best opportunity. Okay, and look at okay the best way to actually trade it, maybe the lower time frame, maybe a higher time frame. But I know that this strategy will help you make some money. So let's look at boom and crash chart. This is boom 1000 and stock, and let's put it on 1 minute. All right, as we all know, so we come to 1 minute. This took confirming for a sell here, but it is not at this area. Then what did you see? The market come down, touch the 20 level. I should be out when I touch the 20 level. If I am not out, spike will teach me my lesson. It crosses again at this point that we were expecting that there should be multiple spike for it to go up. But now there is one catch about boom and crash. You need to understand that when you're trading boom and crash, you need to know the trend. Many people don't take that serious, but you need to take it serious because if you're not trading in trend, you might actually lose. So if I look at those trade on 1 hour time frame, the market is uptrend. It has been uptrend, it's still uptrend. It has not changed. Don't assume the market should have changed because it is overbought or oversold. It is still an uptrend market at this time. So you will not be hoping for much about sell. You'll be looking for much about opportunity to buy. Meaning that at this point I will still actually capitalize on taking the trade. That okay, when there is a crossover here and I believe there is a spike already, I will be waiting for correction. So truly I will not even have traded actually because there was no correction. There was no correction that I really wanted that I delight in. But sometimes there will be correction and I'll take the trade. Just as simple as that. Hold on. Any other thing? Fine. So I believe that this strategy will help you make money. But like I always tell people, okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Test it on their own account before you try it on real account. I will not be held responsible for any loss that you actually accumulate for this without you backtesting it. Backtest, plan it, check it very well, look at where it works for you, look at where it doesn't work, and then come to your conclusion about it. Okay, so I think the volatility 100 it's not moving again. Let's get out of the trade. Well, like I said, this is still a demo account. This is not a real account. And one the reason why I'm actually getting out of the trade is because the trade trend is still power is still it's just the behavior of the market currently that is not So let's get out. Now I need you to understand when I explain about this strategy, I also make it clear that you can have losses. So plan loss, plan profits before you take trades. Plan it very, very well. And because of that, trade based on a reasonable follow that you know that if you lose, you can actually bear the loss. Alright. There's no quick way making money in Forex. Okay, it has to be by work. So we actually have VIP and we have account management. That we have three categories of account management. The normal standard that is 30% risk from $100. You don't pay any charges. Then we have the pro, which is only volatility 100, which is like raised to 1,000%. And we have the exclusive club for people that have account from $1,000 upward and wants lower risk. Okay, the risk level for that exclusive club is just 20%, but something is much more realistic in the exclusive club than even the normal standard account management. Normal standard account management, once you double the account, you have to make withdrawal. Even whether you don't like it, you will withdraw. You don't have any choice. But in the exclusive club, we actually bound to trade for you for 4 good weeks. And after the 4 weeks is when withdrawal will be made. And you will take 55%, we take 45%. But in the normal standard account management, we take 50%, you take 50% of the profits made. And the the normal standard actually have 30% risk. Exclusive club is um, 20% risk. And also you are actually going to have this opportunity to actually make money on the exclusive club more than the thing. And for our VIP signal, it's something that you can afford to actually pay. It's $100 monthly, and for for the rest of the month is $50 if you want to still participate. And these are some of our signals I would like to show us. Signals that we've given this week. These are some of our results, and this is from Friday. This is Wednesday. We gave trades this last week, and we have this is one of the clients. Okay, we have this volatility 75.20, and this one hit TP. This one hit stop loss at that. Then the stop loss that was hit, if you check the risk level, you can see it's very low risk, that you lose less than $2. I think you lose around $3 with volatility 201. But the fixed 75 that won from this point to the take profit one, you can see they make $25. So if you lose $2 and make $25, and $4 to make $25, and after that we actually have the volatility 100 that was given to them, and as you have it in profit, you asked they are asked to close in good profit. That's $180 with the lowest lot size. This fixed 75 that was given, and these are the profit. I asked them to remove the stop loss, and if we check the fixed 75 currently is already far down. So let's check fixed 75. We've seen fixed 75 here. Then let's go to the chart and check fixed 75, where the fixed 75 is currently 71. So let's go back and see fixed 75. So TP3, all TP smashed, all the TP smashed. This volatility 100 that was given, massive profit was made on this. This jump, profit was made on this. This volatility 101s, which is still currently running, approaching the take profit one already, which is at 18, 19, 20. The market is currently at 18 stuff, so we can check to be sure that we are not making mounts. That is volatility 101s, 1830. The market was given at 1620. Now, these are the trades. These are the results so far. All right. So, and also the account management category, we have different management category that you have. If you check the account management that we have actually discussed with everybody, we have this, the exclusive club for volatility 75. We will focus on only volatility 75, the exclusive club for volatility 100. There's pro where we actually have the trade for you for a whole week. The subscription is $50, and we have the standard account management, the normal one for any regular person from $100, and trade for you with just 30% risk. Uh, we look at and scan the market for good opportunity, and that's it. Everything works well for our good. Thank you very much. So I hope that you find this helpful, and if you find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and you can be part of our Telegram group, Telegram channel also. I always actually give helpful signals on the Telegram channel, and people that take advantage of it can actually make money, because some of the signals, when they hit take profit one, I still share it on the Telegram so that people can still join the trade and make money sometimes. Sometimes I show them after the whole thing is done. Right. Thank you. Peace out.